we're coming to the closure, so we make it. I tell something from statistics. I think that we had for me it was very interesting to see the talks. We had quite many discussions and questions, so it looks to be quite successful. So we had I can tell that we had 50 participants really participating, 29 talks. It was fairly international, so we had participants from United States, from Holland, Saudi Arabia, and some other countries represented by Brazilians also, so this Canada, so on. So it was interesting to see people from Brazil coming from abroad. Well, I would like to tell that all the lectures that were filmed, so they will be available on the web page of IMPA. So you go to the videos and then you can see the lectures. Of course, if somebody wants to delete his lecture, we will do it, but by default, they will be on the web page. Well, what I'd like to say that Aparecido already had a flight, so I'd like to thank their members, the other members of the organizing committee, and Marchesin for the help. But essentially, most of the work, technical work, that that the hotel was all the questions about the hotel, the bus coming in time, planes coming in time, all this technical organization was due to the large effort of Anki Tellis and Sami Weiss. So please stand up. So let's thank him. So we have Anki, please. So let's thank them. Well, so it's my pleasure to close the workshop. Please come to the INTERPORE conference in May in Padova, and we will organize the second workshop that is planned in 2 years. But anyway, still we will spread information about this workshop and next workshop by email. So thank you everybody for coming. So I would like to thank everybody for the participation. So. Have a nice flight.